Hey there everyone, Dr. Beth Westy here, and I wanted to pop on and talk about having hormonal imbalance and having it contribute to you gaining weight that much faster. So, this is something I've had a lot of conversations on recently. I've gone over some test results with gals recently, and then after also chatting about them with their health history, this is a really sticky point in your health journey, meaning you can be doing all the right things. I'm eating correctly, I'm working out a ton, I'm doing all this really great stuff, but I know my hormones are off, and it seems like I gain weight like that so fast, and then it takes me forever to get it off. And if I do one little thing off plan, boom, it comes all just roaring back. What the heck? Yeah, a big part of this, and again, this is general information. This might not be what's happening for you specifically, but this is the case for a lot of women. So again, information, all that stuff. Let me know if you have questions, and if this is sounding like something you struggle with, make sure you are on the wait list for the next 12-week challenge. And put the information right there in the comments. Waitlist is the only place that the registration link gets sent to for our 12-week challenge, where we talk about nutrition matches your hormone and matching your hormones and your cycle, working through everything, not only balancing your hormones correctly where they should be, but also restarting your metabolism. Very exciting when that happens. So here's an example of, I should have, here, I'll put this right here, balanced, right? Balanced, right? See, balanced hormones. Why would this be balanced? Because, right, it's not even throughout the month. Your hormones ebb and flow throughout the month. That's what's normal for women. Day 1 is the first day that you have your period. Day 14 is about when you ovulate. Day 28 is about when that ends. Again, yours can be longer or shorter. That's totally fine. Everybody is unique and different, of course. But in general, this is what happens for women, right? You're supposed to be shifting and changing throughout the month. If you have a hormonal imbalance, and estrogen dominance is a blanket term for a lot of things that occur in the female body. You can have this from being on birth control, PCOS, fibroids, endometriosis, stress, which I'm not going to get into too much tonight because I feel like everybody has stress right now. But this can create an imbalance of hormone in your system, creating what's called estrogen dominance. So here's a depiction of that your estrogen is just too high at certain points of the month, which means that you're going to have like really terrible PMS symptoms. Like all of a sudden you're like, wow, why are my cramps way worse? Holy cow. I'm having a super heavy cycle. I'm really, really moody. I'm exhausted. It leads to nutrient depletion that much faster. But it also leads to faster weight gain. This is like, I feel like I gained 5 pounds in 3 days. Am I crazy? No, you're not crazy. It is related to this hormone imbalance here. It's related to all this garbage going on. And any little thing that you eat that's off plan is gonna, it's like gasoline on a fire for you. So if you're trying to do all these things to restrict what you're eating and work out like crazy, and it's not really getting you the right result, or you're getting like a little bit of a result, it's, again, if you're ignoring the fact that your hormones are completely out of balance, you're not going to get to keep your results. This is what we do in the 12-week challenge. So again, make sure you're on that wait list, which is there in the comments. And again, you're not crazy. It does come on, weight can come on way, way faster. This is, I feel like I gain 5 pounds overnight sometimes. It's because that hormone shift happens, and boom, your system will put on weight. It leads to weight loss resistance. It leads to insulin resistance issues, sugar cravings, all that stuff. Whew, skyrockets. So very normal for the female body to go through this when your hormones are imbalanced. So important that you're not only working with rebalancing things the way that they should be, but also then restarting your metabolism. All right, so let me know if you guys have more questions on this. If you want me to dive into this more, just drop some comments, and I'll do some more videos on that this week. Other information for you, I've got my books, The Female Fat Solution, Female Menopause Solution. These are on Amazon. Fantastic resources for you as well for how to eat for your hormones and your cycle. My YouTube channel is called Dr. Beth Westy, and my podcast is called The Female Health Solution. So let me know if you guys need anything else. I'm here as a resource for you, and I hope you have a great rest of your night, and I will see you later.